Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Flossom, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and for the support so far. So guys, we'll be talking about something very amazing, something interesting. Like we always talk about interesting, amazing topics in this channel. So let's delve into today's video in full. So guys, you're welcome back, and straight to the topic, straight to our discussion for today. We'll be talking about 5 best lightening soaps. 5 best, guys. These are really amazing soaps, and number one is going to be our glutathione and injection. So this soap is over the moon. If you want to step up your lightening game with a body soap, then you should go for this, guys. It's going to give you a very flawless finish. It's going to make your skin look very classy and very great. So this is one very great soap I like, and I am going to recommend at all times. It is sizable and sold from 2,500 naira up to maybe 5,000 naira. It is actually sizable and it is great for the skin, for lightening. So guys, number two is going to be our Kojie San soap. So Kojie San soap is actually trending and is a very great soap for skin lightening. If you want to lighten up your skin, then you can choose to use Kojie San. Like, Kojie San is very great. It has very nice ingredients for skin lightening, and Kojie San is sold from 2,000 naira to 5,300, 5,500 naira. It is also sizable. And then our number three great soap, our number three best soap, is going to be the Kojic white. So Kojic white is we have Kojic white, we have Kojic and tomato, but we're going to focus on Kojic white. This Kojic white is actually a 4-in-1 soap. It has Gluta, it has papaya, it has Kojic and Arbutin. This is one of my best, actually. This is one of my go-to soap. It smells very great, and if you are an ardent follower in this channel, you know that I am for great and mild smelling products. So yes, this one smells very great and mild, and it lathers very well. I mean, it foams very well. So I really love this Kojic white, and then it works for pimples also. It works very great for pimples, and it lightens. So in less than 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing results when you use it. Our number four best soap, is that number four? Yes, I think that's our number four. Our number four best soap is going to be Ashantee. Ashantee smells very nice. Let me start from there. Ashantee smells very nice, and then it lathers very well also, and it is effective. If you want to lighten up, then go for Ashantee. You're going to see the difference. You're going to see how it works, guys. So Ashantee is very great for skin lightening, either papaya, honey, and anyone at all. It is very great for skin lightening. Our last soap for today is one controversial soap. That's the Dudu osun. Dudu osun soap is actually very great. Most people say it's black, and yes, now it's black, so it's going to make me dark. It doesn't do that. Dudu osun is like it's like a multi result soap. It's going to exfoliate your skin. It's going to pop your skin. So it's going to pop your skin, it's going to exfoliate, it's going to give you a very fine finish. That's one reason why I love Dudu osun. Like, Dudu osun is my go-to soap. So if you have that notion of it's black, so it dries out pimples very fast. It works for rashes, reaction, and I think we need to even talk about that soap on a good day. Like, just talk about Dudu osun only. So guys, we've talked about the 5 best soaps, and now I'm going to be telling you best ways to get results from these soaps. Like, if you want to see results, then you apply them 2 to 3 minutes, maximum of 3 minutes before you bathe. Like, you're just going to maybe wet your face, wet your body, and then apply it. It's a washout product, so you're not just going to bathe with it like straight, else you're not going to see results. So best thing to do is to apply, and then you shower 3 minutes after. For Kojie San soap, guys, it is not so great for sensitive skin. So if you want to use Kojie San soap and you have sensitive skin, then do not leave it on your skin for more than 2 minutes. Do you get? It's going to give you redness, it's going to give you skin burns and other reactions. So you just use it for 2 minutes and you wash off. by the end of 2 minutes apparently. So for the Dudu osun, it sold around 500 naira to 1,500 naira. Very affordable. It lasts very well. It lasts long. So that is one great soap for me. And so guys, we've come to the end of today's video, and do well to like. If you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed, do well to like, do well to subscribe, do well to turn on your notification bell so that once a video is dropped, you'll be the first to see it, guys. And do well to comment also. So for now, it's a bye, and I love you guys.